start. Assessee is supplier of electricity at notified tariff rate stop. The sale price included advance against depreciation within bracket AAD, which is shown by assessee as sales in its profit and loss account stop. While computing the book profit, assessee deducted the AAD component from total sale price and took only balance amount into the profit and loss account stop. According to the authority for advance rulings, reduction of AAD from the sales was reserve which had to be added back on the basis of clause within bracket B of explanation 1 to section 115 JB of the Income Tax Act 1961 stop para. On reading, it is clear that to make an addition under clause within bracket B, the two conditions which must be jointly satisfied are that there must be a debit of the amount to the profit and loss account, and the amount so debited must be carried to the reserve stop. Since the amount of AAD is reduced from sales, there is no debit in the profit and loss account stop. The amount did not enter the stream of income for the purpose of determination of net profit at all. Hence, clause within bracket B of explanation 1 was not applicable stop. There are broadly two types of reserves: those that are routed through profit and loss account, for example a capital reserve such as share premium account stop. AAD is not a reserve stop. It is not appropriation of profits stop. It is an amount that is under obligation right from the inception to get adjusted in the future, hence cannot be designated as a reserve stop. It is nothing but an adjustment by reducing the normal depreciation includable in the future years in such a manner that at the end of useful life of the plant bracket, which is normally 30 years bracket close, the same would be reduced to nil stop. Keeping in view the facts of the plant, AAD will be reduced to nil stop. Keeping in view the facts, the total profit and loss account will be different from the above stop. In fact, Schedule 12A to the balance sheet for the financial years 2004-5 onwards indicated recouping stop. AAD income received in advance stop. It is a timing difference and represents adjustment in future which is built in the mechanism notified by the income tax department stop.